from the emails, Amatullah says, what are the businesses or jobs that are halal for a Muslim woman to work in? Now, this question is quite generic. You see, when the Prophet ﷺ was approached by a man, and the man asked a question, "O Prophet of Allah, what can a person in ihram wear? If you're going for Umrah or Hajj, what are the things that you're allowed to wear?" The Prophet ﷺ could have given him a full list of the materials, of the things he's allowed to wear, of the colors, etc. Rather, he diverted the answer into something that can be measured, something that is tangible. So he said, a muhrim must not wear the ama'im, the turbans. He must not wear the shirts. He must not wear the trousers. He must not wear the khuf. He must not wear the baranis, the hoodies. So he limited it into 5 things. And the rest is, the sky is the limit. Likewise, someone comes to me, a non-Muslim, says, what are the food that we are allowed to eat? So we get apples, we get oranges, kiwis, avocados. It will take me till Fajr listing the halal things. The best thing to do is to twist it by saying, Akhi, you're not allowed to eat haram meat, which was not slaughtered by a Muslim, Christian, or Jew. You're not allowed to eat pork. You're not allowed to eat poisonous things or harmful things. That's it, almost. So this is the best way of answering questions. So such a generic question from Amatullah, what are the businesses or jobs halal for a Muslim woman to work in? The things that are not halal are 1, things that deal with haram. So marketing, selling, producing anything haram, tobacco, intoxicants, photographs of women, media, movies, music, anything that is harmful, this is haram. Anything that defies her hijab. So if she has to compromise her hijab and free mix with men, even if she was wearing hijab, but free mixing with men, chit-chatting, sitting with colleagues for 8 hours to 10 hours a day in the same office, this is haram. So if these things are eliminated, the actual work is halal, all legit. She's working in a school, she's working in a hospital, she's working in an office where it is all dealing with halal things, secretarial work, she's an accountant, no riba, she is an IT technician, she is working in marketing, all is halal. Then there is no compromise on her hijab. She doesn't have to wear a uniform. She doesn't have to reveal her face or to show her body or figure to others. If all of this was ensured that she will be able to practice her religion without any problem, she can work whatever she wants to work as long as the rules of Sharia are being applied.